So let's skip the second horizontal finishing and we'll go right into the spiral machining to show you how that works. So we're going to go to 3-axis. We're going to go to spiral machining. Radial spiral. And again, we're going to contain it to this perimeter. And we're going to use the 1/8" ball mill for the cut parameters. We're going to use a climb cut direction. We're going to start on the inside and work our way out. And for the center, by default, it actually calculates the center of your part. You can tell it where the center is. We're going to pick that, and we're going to, with the object snap on, we're going to pick a point. So that's going to be our center point. We're going to do a step over, I'll say 50 thousandths. I won't do an actual finish, surface finish, since it'll take more time to calculate. The Z depth, we already had it roughed out, so we're not going to have any additional Z depth, just one depth right on the part itself. And then for the entry and exit, we'll leave that. Let's just generate that. Okay. So on the spiral, you'll see that it started at the center because we said we want to work our way from the center outward. So the spiral starts here and it starts working its way around based on the step over, and it works its way all the way up to the last point right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and simulate that. Okay, let's go ahead and suppress that since we don't want that to be into play. And let's run that again. Turn the toolpath off. Play. So the tool is working its way around, starting at the center, going all the way up the sidewalls. And the masking surface is doing its job. The program doesn't even know there's a pocket in here. It doesn't know there's any material behind the surface. So that's what we want. So we're going to cut those out separately. So let's go ahead and do, there's the spiral. Let's do the radial machining. It's basically the same procedure, but you're working at a center point out. So let's go ahead and create our perimeter curve or select our containment curve. We're going to use the same tool, cut parameters, use the same tolerance of 1/1000th. We'll do a zigzag cut pattern. We're going to set the center point again. Okay, and then for the step over, 50 thousandths, no Z containment, we'll just generate that. Okay, so here's our radial. You'll see if you can zoom in there now. It starts at the center and runs its way out to the perimeter curve that we selected. Okay, so let's go ahead and simulate that real quick. You see that it's going up and down from the center to the perimeter. Okay, let's go ahead and pause that. We don't really need to simulate it all. If you zoom in, you'll see the surface finish. Okay, so that's basically the 3-axis, but we got more work to do because we want to program these additional pockets and these pockets up here. At this point, we don't need the masking surface anymore. So we're going to turn that off. And we're going to go ahead and turn the, let's go ahead and stop the simulation.